Hello my friends and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Do you feel like you're wasting a lot of money on hair products? On today's video, I will help you get rid of all kinds of hair problems using simple and natural ingredients from home. These hair hacks are super effective and easy. Now let's start with this video, but before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, My Simple Remedies, and like this video. So, let's go ahead. Hack number 1. Turn dry and damaged hair into healthy and strong. Add 2 spoons of yogurt in a bowl and add 1 egg to it. Mix both of these ingredients nicely. Our mask is ready to apply. Section your hair and apply this mask nicely to your hair. The protein in the yogurt helps strengthen the hair shaft, which prevents split ends and hair damage. Lactic acid in yogurt hydrates the hair in depth. One of the key elements of egg yolk is the protein they contain, which may be nourishing and shine promoting. The egg is high in fat, which is why it can enhance hair softness. Comb your hair with a wide tooth comb. After combing your hair, leave this mask on your hair for 30 minutes and then wash it. Use this remedy twice a week. Within no time, your dry and damaged hair will turn into strong and silky. Hack number 2. How to stop hair fall or loss. Does your hair break and fall? The biggest reason for hair fall is dandruff and itchy scalp. Dandruff is a common source of itching. As your scalp becomes irritated by dandruff, it not only causes skin cells to flake off, but can also cause your scalp to itch. If you suffer from an itchy scalp, you can also be at risk of increased hair loss, as scratching too much can damage the hair strands, causing them to break or fall out more easily. Hack number 3. Don't wash your hair with hot water. Washing your hair with water that is too hot can dry out your hair and scalp, making hair brittle and more prone to breakage. To protect your hair, try washing it in warm water instead of hot, and rinse with cooler temperatures to seal moisture into your hair and prevent breakage. Hack number 4. Easy tip to get rid of oily hair. First of all, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda into a bowl. Add 3 to 4 spoons of water to it so that we can make a paste. Now apply this paste to your hair nicely with a brush. After applying this paste, give your hair a good massage for 2 to 3 minutes so that the paste nicely is absorbed in the scalp. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes. After that, wash your hair with any shampoo. Use this tip once a week and you won't be greasy anymore. Hack number 5. How to remove head lice and NITS. One of the most simple remedies to get rid of head lice is the use of lemon juice. The acidic effect of lemon helps kill lice and unglue NITS from the head. For this, all you need to do is take a lemon, cut it into 2 halves, and directly start scrubbing the lemon all over the scalp. After doing this method for 3 to 4 minutes, give your head some rest so that the minerals present in the lemon can work. After 15 minutes, wash your hair with a shampoo. After the first use, you will get rid of lice and NITS forever. Hack number 6. How to instantly repair frizzy and damaged hair. Add half a cup of cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Then add about 10 tablespoons of water to it. Our spray is now ready. Spray this mixture on your frizzy and damaged hair nicely. Tie your hair after spraying it. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with a shampoo. After the first use, frizziness and dryness will be gone to a great extent. If some frizziness is left, it will be completely gone if this remedy is used regularly. Hack number 7. Trim your hair every 7 weeks. My friends, always remember to trim your hair yourself or at a salon. Avoiding to trim your hair stops hair growth and simply your hair doesn't grow anymore. So it's my general piece of advice to everyone to trim their hair, and you might not need any hair growth remedy after this. Hack number 8. Say no to tied hairstyles. The biggest injustice to hair is a tied hairstyle. My friends, do you know how much hair falls because of a tied hairstyle? Start using a catcher instead of a tied pony. And while doing so, after a short time, your hair loss will reduce. Finally, hack number 9. How to make your hair shiny and silky like the one shown in ads. First of all, take a bowl and add an egg. Next, add 2 spoons of coconut cream to it. Last but not least, add 1 to 2 spoons of conditioner that is gluten and paraben free. Now mix all these ingredients together nicely. Apply this mixture to already shampooed, wet hair. Apply this paste to your hair and leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your hair with warm water. You will be amazed to see the difference. Your hair will become shiny, soft, and silky instantly. So my friends, that's it for today. Did you enjoy this video? If yes, please like, subscribe, and share. I will see you next time. Until then, take care and bye-bye.